Hey everybody, this is Anthony from Into the Darkroom, and this video is going to show you how to make an album page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the content section, and this has the list of all my pages, and I've only created one at this point. So I'm going to go to the new button down here, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to title the page. The title of this page is going to appear on the page. It's going to appear in the link, so it's something that you want to make sure that people want to read. So something like weddings. And then you want to click the type of page, and right now we're going to make an album page, so I'm going to click album, and then I'm going to go ahead and click create page. So I have my weddings page right here, but now I have to add content to it. So I'm going to click on the page, and I have some tabs across here that will allow me to do different things to this page. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image list tab, and I'm going to add images. So I'm going to click the upload at the bottom, and I'm going to add files from my computer. And you're going to see that I already have images prepared. They're saved and cropped the right size, and they're web ready. And I'm going to open them up, and it's going to start loading them in here. Every time an image is done loading, you're going to see that little checkbox that turns green. And when they're all done, I'm going to go ahead and click done. So now you're going to see all the images right here in my list. And it gives you the dimensions, just in case you're looking and an image doesn't look right on the page. You can come back and just make sure that the dimensions are correct, and the image sizes. All the image sizes are roughly under 300 kilobytes. It's really where you want to be. The lower they are, the faster your site is going to load. So there's a couple things that I can do now if I wanted to. I can go ahead and sort these images, and I can move one up and down at a time if I wanted to. Or I can go ahead and click the sort button, and I can actually click and drag and move them around. So let's say I needed one of them to be placed first, and I can click save. Otherwise, this list is going to organize everything alphanumerically, so it's going to order them based on numbers or the alphabet. So now that I have all my images in place, I have the option to create captions if I want. So I can click on any image, and I can click edit, and I can change this title. So if I'm trying to get some search engine optimization terms in, this is a great place to get it. But just for this purpose, I'm going to type title, and I'm just going to type in a fake description here, just so that you can see what the caption is going to look like when we actually reveal it. So I can click Save Changes, and now it's going to go ahead and change that information. The Tracks tab is the place where you can upload MP3s. I'm not going to upload an MP3 just for the purpose of this demo, because I don't want it to interfere with music and stuff like that. But you would just click upload, you would find the MP3 and load it there. And then you can go ahead and click settings. The settings is where you can turn on or off the watermark. The watermark you can set up in a different area of the back end. The show image caption will reveal what we just typed, so I'm going to go ahead and click true so you can see that. And I can decide if I want to auto start the slideshow. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And now that I have my settings, and I don't have music, but if I did have my music and I have all my images sorted the way I want, and I have the captions in there, I'm going to go ahead and click preview. So at the bottom of this panel, I already have the weddings page selected, so I'm going to go ahead and click preview, and it's going to reveal the page. So what you're going to notice on this first image is once it plays, I can go ahead and roll over it, and you're going to see that caption appear. The caption appears on rollover, so it doesn't interfere with your image, and then the slideshow auto started. So that's the album page with all the settings that we put in there. So now, just to refresh, you go ahead and you go to the content page, you click new, you add the page, and when you click on it, you can add images, music, and settings. I hope that helps, and I hope it was informative. Thanks so much.